shake it, he'll say make it and rap before he speak. Bro, West Atlanta nigga, grew up with this music that make me sick. Don't damn me, yo, your force is yellow and that shit look like your teeth.
Going on to this family. Today, I will be trying the all new chicken Big Mac. Yes, you heard it right. Chicken Big Mac. You see the chicken right there. Also got extra sauce. Gotta have extra sauce. What Phantom say? The sauce. Can't forget the sauce. Alright, y'all. Let's take this bite. It looked good as fuck, I ain't even gonna lie. Motherfucker, I can fit a butt. Open my pickles. Damn. And the sauce. Chicken Big Mac. Bust down Rolly Avalanche. Yeah, I'm finna cut this grass. Should go all the way back there somewhere, come around. All this shit right here, it stops right there where that gate is. Yeah, we got this little front patch right here. And I'm waiting on them to bring a weed eater. So, yeah, I'm finna get to it, man. Yeah, this side is done. Got my little lines and shit. I did this a little bit. I'm gonna probably do the rest with a weed eater. Cause if I try to do anything else, it's gonna fuck my lines up. Also back here is doing too. So, and I went up there a little bit right there. So now it's just this big part. Knock the shit out. Shouldn't take too long. 20, 30 minutes, if that. For an eat eater too, so I can fucking clear all these fucking little shits up in the sidewalk and actually clear my sidewalk off, you know what I'm saying? Can't have that. Should go all the way up here, so definitely that weed eater. And get all the way around the house with a weed eater and shit. Chop all this shit down that I don't want. Probably gonna pull those out, because I don't want that shit right there either. And then move those planks, so that's just like grass right there. We got the whole back done back there, as you can see. And now it's just this little stretch, just a fucking straightaway. Nothing too fucking crazy, no hills or nothing like that. So my biggest fucking issue here is just keep my line straight. That's it. So I'll check it back in. And I don't even think Buddy brought the fucking weed eater. So now it's just gonna look half-assed. I can't even get to none of this shit. I can't get to all that shit on the back end. Or in the front of the house, on the side of the house over there. So that's fucked. Grass is finally done. I'm finna go out there with a broom, hit all them lumps and shit. It's really like only over here, so it should be good. Okay. Yeah. Got some little decorations. I'm waiting on a weed eater so I can hit all that shit. Cute. Yeah, got the weed eater. Did my thizang. You can actually see the sidewalk now. Yeah. Got the wall. Yeah. Got that. Yup. Yup. Feel like fucking Big Frank. Yup. Yeah, we're in the process. Getting his TV put in. He went to the store real quick to grab an HDMI cord so he can like run it down here or whatever. So it's not all in the way and shit. what, pull out fuse box, all that. So you know what he doing. Finna get this motherfucker put in real quick. Yes, sir, skis. No more light. So y'all stay tuned for the TV, man. Take care of business. Y'all TV is up. Shout out to my guy over there. Get y'all a back view. Yeah. I don't know what's up with this purple ass light, but it's something. It looks hella good. And yes, I'm gonna keep the plastic on, bitch. I don't give a fuck. Plastic staying on. Ooh. I'm finna go in here and find this damn fire stick. So tomorrow, them boys got something to watch. We just went to Wendy's. We got the Krabby Patty meal. I'm gonna insert the video here.
Preparing the Krabby Patty.
Thank you for coming to Wendy's. What can I get going for you?
Can I get the Krabby Patty meal, please?
Anything else for you?
That'll be it.
Sweet. That'll be $10.89 at the first window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
They didn't even get chicken nuggets or anything for the boys.
Alright, let's see what we got. They gave us this thing, whatever it is. What is it? Pineapple?
Frosty.
Pineapple frosty. Probably not gonna eat that. Let's open up this Krabby Patty. I watched C Nova eat this shit in 4 bites. I'm like, you fat fuck. Yeah.
Ew.
They could have went bigger on the meter, but they got the picklers, the onioners, tomatoers, lettucer, special saucer. See the special saucer on there. It's pretty good. The special saucer on there does it.
Does it taste like Big Mac sauce? Looks like it.
Definitely Big Mac sauce. Yeah, as y'all can see, this fucking tire is done gone flat. Finna pump it up, and then I got the new tire in the back. Finna go ahead and go get that shit changed right now. Got the tire, man. We on the way. All right, y'all. We here now. Gotta know the spot. The only spot in town that can actually get my shit in. Now I'm just waiting on them to pull me in so I can goddamn finish one of my errands. I gotta go get the paint for the Camaro so I can fix the little part on the back end. Since I'm getting the front fixed, might as well fix the back. And then what else? We gotta run by the old apartment. Got this big ass box. And then I'll be on my way. I'll check out, man. All right, yo, we got that new tire on there, man. Y'all see that, boy? The red line. Now I'm finna change out these motherfucking, one of my reverse lights up. So I gotta change that real quick. Got some LEDs.
Nobody wanna see you doing better than them, no. I wanna see you do better. Only that one time, you hear my voice, I say my soul control. Cause I got one life, you can get rich.
Yeah, we got the plates on that motherfucker. I tried to match the color as best as I could. I think I did an okay job. You see that? Dark gray right there. To go ahead and order one of these for the Escalade. So we can plug in like an Xbox or a DVD player, such. Just cigarette lighter at the bottom, and then come up at your outlet for everything. Alright, y'all, so they came and fixed our breaker box, and we relocated the couch over here, connected it. TV over here, as you can see. Now we got all this free range space right here for the kids. And everything over there looks way more open, you know what I mean? But it's much better. Alright, y'all, you can see, I finally got some goddamn Wi-Fi. After fucking a week or so, trying to wait for these motherfuckers. So everything that came together.
Who that nigga pulling up at the back, Cadillac, racks in the sack, gas in the pack, yeah, in the front, in the 12s, in the back, drink in my cup, clock in my lap. Lame man nigga shaking hips and making him rap before he speak. Bro, West Atlanta nigga grew up with this music that make me sick. Don't doubt me, yo, your forces yellow and that shit look like your teeth.